Oh, another big black bass. Well, the fishing's been pretty awesome. I've got dinner and I've lost count how many fish I caught, but I'm getting thirsty and water's getting really low. I need to go find a source of drinking water. I'm so glad to see this water. That is all the water we had left. This is the best water filter system. It just pulls it through with gravity. I got 4 liters of drinking water and 3 liters I can filter later. Ah, that feels good to have water. I was stressing about that.